Today we're doing a mixed breakdown of a record I did for YK Osiris and YFN Luchi and another artist called Make Love. So let's break down the record. I'm going to show you guys what I did. Let's start by looking at the video. Here we go.
Maybe I don't got to spend you in the club, but I know that I just feel that you the one. You got a man, he ain't really got to know. Just come over, we can turn the lights low. I wanna make love, baby. Then show me your love, baby. I give you my love, baby.
Okay, so when we started this, how we cut this is that we cut this in the middle of my living room. We did this record in here, right? And this is a song that I primarily wrote. Me and YK wrote the hook portion. YFN wrote his own verse.
Come here real quick. Baby, I know I just spent you in the club, but I know that I just feel that you the one. You got a man, he ain't really got to know. Just come over, we can turn the lights low. I wanna make love, baby. Then show me your love, baby. I give you my love, baby. I give you my love. Then show me your love. I wanna make love.
So the thing that what you hear with the vocals is that we took our time and we did everything part by part. We didn't write anything. And the thing that I like about YK Osiris is that he records a lot like a rapper. He takes that rapper's approach of just punching in and not really thinking about it. And I think the thing that made him take off in the industry is that like he was just so raw vocally and he just really just didn't care, you know, because at times he would be a bit pitchy, but his emotion really shines through more than him trying to be perfect. He just cares about, you could tell that he's an artist that just really cares about singing. You know what I mean? And that really shows because when he did that, it was a certain, when he messed up, he just really didn't care. So when we started off the record, we did, you guys can see, we did a bunch of little parts. So we did a bunch of comping, you know, and I had this auto-tune like heavy, I had it on like 14 and this was the perfect speed for him.
I know I just spent you in the club.
And then I put some compression on the track here with that. And with these little backgrounds here.
Know that I just feel that you the one. You got a man, he ain't really got to know. Just come over.
So I just wanted the backgrounds to shine a little bit. Something that would be kind of even because he liked his backgrounds a little bit on par with his main vocals. He wanted them to be heard. Usually I would like them tucked. If I'm working with an R&B artist, I would like the backgrounds a little bit more tucked. But again, he takes the approach when recording a lot like a rapper. So I had to keep that in mind, you know what I mean? Because you could tell that he grew up around and recording around rappers.
We can turn the lights low. I wanna make love.
And then we really like this effect when we use the Futz box. So when we use the Futz box, the MC DSP, we use two of those plugins. We used the Futz box and we used the 4030. And that was really, really cool. We set it to that telephone mode and it was really good. And a lot of people don't know this record we did years ago, but it was the earliest rendition of the Fedarro template. And so this was me developing out those different styles to eventually get to the template that you guys hear now in the Fedarro template. But when we recorded YFN's verse,
just show me your love. I wanna make love.
One glad, three glad.
that's Rico's verse. We'll get to YFN's verse.
Just show me your love. I wanna make love.
I wanna make love, I wanna make love. Kiss on you wherever you love. You got me waiting up, girl. Don't have me waiting too long. You got me off by the phone. Don't you hate when I do wrong? You'll hate it if I move on. For some hours long.
So on this particular template, I used the trap guide. So this is where you see these different auxiliary buses. I mixed two templates in one. So when I recorded YFN's verse, you guys see this trap the sauce, trap finesse. That comes on the trap guides template. So there's a variation that I have that I've never released, and I'll probably release it. I'll probably release it right now, but it has like 16 to 20 templates of me recording like Future, Thug, YFN, Luchi, Rollo Rodriguez, Lil Baby, and a lot of earlier variations. I have some of those, but this one is the complete set. And so when I recorded him on this vocal, I just put one of those. I put that specific template in there, but I flirted with my other Trap Guys templates to eventually create it, because we'll hear the verse, and again we punched in and out. I don't know why it's double reverb on there. It's supposed to be one. I think I actually accidentally did that in a session and he just liked it.
I wanna make love, kiss on you wherever you love. You got me waiting, oh girl, don't have me waiting too long. You got me all by the phone, don't you hate when I do wrong? You'll hate it if I move on.
And Lucci likes the vocals. He likes them to sound auto-tuned, but not too auto-tuney. You know what I mean? Like he still likes to sound a little bit more on the natural side when it comes to rapping. So I had to keep that in mind when I was cutting his verse.
For some hours long, she said I never last this long. Girl, go cut the shower on, that thing wet like the shower on. Girl, you fine like nylon. Oops, I meant there, but I still love you like my.
And so you guys can hear that approach too, because like when you hear YK's verse and you hear Lucci's verse, Lucci likes his backgrounds too on par with almost with his lead, and it's just a rapper thing. It's like one of those melodic trap rapper sounds that they just love out here. You know what I mean? But people aren't doing backgrounds nearly as much as they used to anymore, but it's still a prevalent sound.
Styrofoam, she be hitting notes like my xylophone. I'ma tell that girl when I get home. And I'ma eat that girl when I get home. Hey, I just wanna make sweet love, yo, girl.
Maybe I know how to spend you in the club, but I know that I just feel that you.
Yeah, and then so on that vocal chain for his vocals, we just did something simple. You know, I had the de-esser, I had an EQ, I had the RVox working with the gate on. And then like when you're recording vocals, especially if you're recording in the middle of your living room or in an open space, you need gate to get rid of that background noise or that bottom floor noise that you absolutely don't need. And then we used the CLA vocal. I spiked them up a little bit with the vitamin. And then we used the de-esser. And then you know what? But the thing is, knowing what I know now, I wouldn't change anything, but I would have taken a different approach on the mastering. But it still sounds like a really, really good record. But I would have probably taken a little bit of approach on the mastering and made it just a little bit wider. But I had to learn to get to that point. But it didn't make a huge difference in the record because the record still streamed really well, still did millions of streams online, and it did really, really well. But they couldn't work out the business on Lucci's verse, so they couldn't get him on it, even though he was paid. But it came to a disagreement when it came to the clearance portion, and it happens in the business sometimes. So if I can give you guys some advice, whenever you pay the artist, make sure that you get a contract saying that you need primary artist rights. You need those primary artist rights, because then when you go into your DSPs and you put them in, then that'll help you get extra streams. And that's how they got YK Osiris was just on fire at this time. And then the artist that was featured on here, he got an agreement from YK, but not Luchi, because him and Luchi were really good friends, and they just wanted to do friend business. But it ended up not working out in the long run. So make sure you get your contracts in order when working with features. That way you can save yourself down the line. You know what I mean? Because labels don't care about any of your relationships. So yeah, so I use the vitamin, and then on the end, and this is what I like to do at the end of my vocals, because the artists in Atlanta like so much high end that you have to dial it back at the end of your vocal chain, or at the end of your vocal chain. So always put like a DS at the end. But if you guys want this template, I'll make it available, and in the description. All you have to do is just buy it from the link. Yeah, but
You got a man, he really gotta know. Just come over, we can turn the lights low. I wanna make love.
and as you see for the vocal chain for YK's, I'm not using that many plugins. I'm using just 4 plugins. That CLA vocal is like a godsend. You know what I mean? But this is the approach that I would have taken differently. Here's my master chain, and I love the way that I did this. And I use my center to go a little bit wider, but I use the L3 center, the L2. It's the L3 that I basically used just to boost the high end. The center, I use for balance. And then this L3, this L2, I use just to get some of that umph back. I didn't want to add too much bass because we needed it back quick. So I didn't really have time, and then they didn't get the track outs from the producer because that was just something that just started back in Atlanta. Like people stopped caring about 2 tracks. I think when I started working with like Zaytoven, right? So I would work with these artists that would work with Cassius Clay and Zaytoven when they were working together. And they would send over these beats that just needed to be mixed so bad. And one day I had requested the 2 tracks and they were just like, we not sending them over. We love the sound already. So that's why you guys have to know that how certain things sound is subjective. Like what we think sounds good is subjective because something can sound distorted, something can sound, there is no perfect sound. If somebody likes the sound of those drums being distorted but being heavy, if that becomes the sound, you got to roll with it, especially as an engineer because, man, I made a lot of complaints that lost me some business. So, especially if they like the demo, you know what I mean? So, but this is the mixed breakdown of the YK Osiris and the YFN Luchi verse that I did. I'm going to be breaking down more industry versions. And also, if you guys want these exact templates, one is the Fedarro template with the variation that it came with. You guys can order that one. And I'm going to make the Trap Gods template, the one that I haven't released yet, available. And if you want discounts, I'll put a discount code in the description. So this is Fedarro. Tell me what mixed breakdown that you want to work with. I pretty much work with everybody, so I can, break down a lot of sessions. But like this, comment, subscribe, share. See you next time.